Hello kids, welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn the alphabet E. E for egg. E for eagle. E for elephant. E for ear. E for earth. E for elbow. E for engine. E for elf. E for envelope. E for excavator. E for exercise. E for ice. E for eel. E for eraser. E for eggplant. E for earring. E for emu. E for earthworm. E for eyebrows. E for electric car. E for elk. E for elevator. E for earmuff. E for exhaust. E for espresso. E for eyeglasses. E for 8. E for eat. E for exit. E for Easter. E for east. E for empty. E for echo. E for end. E for elm. E for error. E for 11. E for event. E for entrance. E for expenses. E for enjoy. E for evening. E for earwig. E for earphones. E for Egypt. E for experiment. E for euro. E for emerald. E for emperor. E for emotions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.